Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoom, join meetings and webinars step by step clearly. Open the Zoom application on your computer or phone, or go to Zoom, us in your web browser. On the home screen, click or tap Sign In to access your account. Choose the correct sign-in method, such as email, Google, Apple, or SSO, depending on how your account was created. If you use email, type your email address carefully in the email field. Type your password in the password field, making sure caps lock is not on. Click or tap Sign In to complete the login process. If Zoom asks for a verification code, open your email or Authenticator app and enter the code to continue. Check that your profile name appears on the screen to confirm you are logged in. To join a meeting quickly without searching, click or tap Join on the Zoom home screen. Enter the meeting ID provided by the host into the meeting ID field. Type a display name that other participants will recognize. Choose whether to connect audio and video by toggling the options shown on the screen. Click or tap Join to enter the meeting room. If a passcode is required, enter the passcode exactly as provided by the host. If you receive a waiting room message, stay on the screen until the host admits you. To join from a link, open the meeting invitation and click the Zoom meeting link. Allow your browser or device to open the Zoom app when prompted. If you do not have the app, select the option to download Zoom and install it. Then reopen the link. When you join, click Join with computer audio or choose phone call if you prefer dialing in. Test your speaker and microphone when Zoom offers an audio test option. To join a webinar, open the webinar invitation and click the webinar link. If asked, enter your first name, last name, and email address to register or to join. Click Join Webinar and wait for the host to start the webinar if it has not begun yet. If you are a panelist, use the special panelist link and sign in to the correct Zoom account if prompted. During the session, use the toolbar to mute or unmute and start or stop video if allowed. Use chat or Q&A for questions in webinars, depending on what the host enabled. If the host requires authentication, make sure you are logged in with the same email invited by the organizer. If you cannot join, double-check the meeting ID, passcode, date, and time. Then try again or restart Zoom. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.